Hello students, welcome to another Lab Flip video. It is time to start thinking about our next lab and making sure that you are prepared for it and using this tool to enhance your safety and your understanding of the lab. Please take a few minutes and look at this video and then answer the quiz at the end. For the next lab, it's a heat transfer lab. We are studying conduction, convection, and radiation. When we have this lab, we will have the lab sheet with all the materials laid out for you. It will be done in two sections. We will have Station 1, Station 2, and Station 3 on the first day. And the second day, we will do notes for the conduction, convection, and radiation. So the first day is merely a day that we are going to do the lab and investigate and find out things that perhaps you knew but perhaps you didn't know about heat and how it transfers from one thing to another. When we come back after doing the notes, on the following day, then you are going to do the Station 4 and Station 5. Both of these say 4, but one of them will be Station 4 and one will be Station 5. On those things, or on those days, we will be using, on all of the days, we will be using things that will have to have some safety concerns, such as on Station 1, you will have heated water, which means you will have it in a flask. It'll be boiling. It'll be dangerous, or not dangerous, but it will need to have safety precautions, such as goggles. And then on number 2, you will have toasting, a toaster, a real toaster. So when you are putting in the bread or when you're taking out the toast, you need to be very careful not to touch the machine. For the third one, it is merely just taking care of the equipment. When you have Station 4, you are going to be using a tea candle. You will be needing to make sure your hair is pulled back and all of the safety requirements for labs should be followed, okay, because of using a fire. And on the last one as well, you're going to be using tea candles and a fire, and you will need to use the exact same safety precautions. At the end, you're going to have some questions, conclusion questions, and then all of that will be discussed and debriefed on the following day after Thanksgiving. So for our secret word, let's say Thanksgiving break.